Alright guys, so we have discussed some things or some benefits about traveling, and now here's what we're going to do, okay? Just give me 1 second. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to write some things. Okay, so I already wrote on the whiteboard what where to stay and what to do. Okay, so let's think about a place. It can be any place. Okay, very good, Santiago. Let's say New York, right? So we chose New York. So what are we going to talk about? For example, we're going to brainstorm. We're going to mention some examples about what to do. Okay, so okay, we can visit Central Park. Okay, we can go to Times Square. Okay. And we can visit or okay, very good, we can go to a Broadway show if you like musicals. Okay, so we have things to do, or what we can do. We can go to Central Park, we can go to Times Square, and we can go to a Broadway show. Okay, and where to stay, for example, let's say Airbnb. Let's say well, if you are brave enough, you can stay at a hostel or a hotel. Okay, so you have some options, right? So we have some examples. We already have New York, where to stay, and we have some options: Airbnb, hotel, hostel, and we have what to do. We can go to Central Park, Times Square, or a Broadway show. Okay, just to mention a few examples. Alright, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to hand out an outline, a template, okay, and it has the same points, and it also has how to get around, where to eat. Okay, so we have 4 things, right? Where to stay, what to do, how to get around, and where to eat, or what to eat. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first you're going to create, or you're going to talk about your own city or the place you would like to visit, but we're going to write a few examples about the first one. For example, we have where to stay, and I can write, for example, or we can write budget hotels, or low budget hotels, hotels near downtown, family friendly, pet friendly. Okay, so we have some options, right? So you're going to do the same. You're going to write your own ideas. We have some bullets right here, and you can write different keywords. What you're going to do is you're going to make a brainstorming that is going to help you with your writing. What are you going to write? You're going to write about the city or the place you would like to travel soon or in the future. Okay, so you have some bullets, and you're going to brainstorming the different questions. Okay, you're going to start writing with the place: New York, Mexico City, Los Angeles, San Francisco, etc., etc. And then you're going to complete the keywords like here in the bullets, and you're going to answer the questions: where to stay, where or what to eat, what to do, and how to get around. Okay, the means, in this case, the means of transportation. So George, what are we going to do? Okay, very good, George. Yes, correct. We have this outline with some bullets and some questions. Okay, like you said. And Maritza, what are the questions? Yes, very good. Where to stay, what or where to eat, what to do, and how to get around. Okay, how are you going to get from your local town or your local place to your destination? Very good. Any other questions, guys? No questions? Okay, we will start with this one. So remember, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with your brainstorming. You can work in pairs. So start with your brainstorming. You can choose the same place, or each one can choose their own place. Okay, for example, maybe George and Nicole are going to choose a different city, and maybe Gerardo and Sydney are going to choose the same city or the same place. It's okay. All right.